offer my days to you, lifting my praise to you as a pleasing sacrifice. Lord, I offer you my life. Sing it. Lord, I offer my life to you. Everything I've been through, use it for your glory. And Lord, I offer my days to you, lifting my praise to you as a pleasing sacrifice. Lord, I offer you my life.
Katawa naman ng init guys. Inita guys.
Things in the past, things yet unseen,
Ang among packing boy.
wishes and dreams that are yet to come true.
Sobrang init guys. Nag-upat ng mata ng harvester guys.
Ano nga guys, puro sila ako ng harvest guys. Wala na guys. Wala ko kabalo. Asa na ako?
Init kay guys ang panahon guys. Wala na ulan.
Murag desierto mga guys.
Desierto naman eh guys no. Sobrang init. Yun ang panahon karon.